Welcome to video number 237 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. This video could be to learn both the formal Tamil and TV news Tamil, because as learners you need to understand some formal Tamil as well, as broadcasting language is something you should be learning because it adds variety, and that's also the best way to learn a language. By the by, here's the tab of varied videos we have done so far. As learners, you should have varied learning, and hence we have grammar, jokes, conversation, simple words and vocabularies, movie dialogues, songs, formal Tamil, and it's just not that. Do you wish to learn a small bite-sized lesson daily? Join Instagram, Learn Speak Tamil. And how about learning along with learners like you? To join the Telegram group, send a mail to learnandspeaktamil@gmail.com. In this video, we are going to see from the news slide about the present news. So it is monsoon time, and it's going to be all about rain. Let's learn a few words. I'm sure this status in most of the places where you're living, and we are going to see words related to that. And here, this is a news clip. The heavy rain that is preparing to wreak havoc in 37 districts. 37 மாவட்டங்களில் புரட்டி எடுக்க காத்திருக்கும் கனமழை. So மாவட்டம் is district, and புரட்டி எடுக்க is not really a very formal language, but since it's a news, hence they need some catchy phrase. புரட்டி எடுக்க means, just imagine a football players kicking around the ball and marching to victory. So we are the people here, and the rain is preparing itself to kick us around like a football. So it's a figure of speech. A lawyer winning stride, or a batsman a stunning performance. All this can be புரட்டி எடுக்க or புரட்டி எடுக்கறான். Even here you can use the phrase புரட்டி எடுக்க, just winning against the opponents. புரட்டி எடுத்துட்டாரு means he just powerfully won, or mop the floor with someone. And இனிமேதா ஆட்டமே means the game starts only now. இனிமேதா ஆட்டமே. So it's an interesting way to learn it, isn't it? Catchy, interesting phrases through news. புதிய காற்றழுத்த தாழ்வு பகுதி means new depression zone. 4 நாட்களுக்கு பேய்மழை. பேய்மழை is a word often used like that, powerful non-stop torrential rain. வானிலை மையம் is weather station. வானிலை மையம் எச்சரிக்கை means the weather station warns. புதிய காற்றழுத்த தாழ்வு பகுதி 4 நாட்களுக்கு பேய்மழை. வானிலை மையம் எச்சரிக்கை. This is another catchy headline. 15 மாவட்டங்களில் மிரட்ட காத்திருக்கும் கனமழை. மிரட்ட is to scare or threaten. Heavy rain that awaits to scare 15 districts. 15 மாவட்டங்களில் மிரட்ட காத்திருக்கும் கனமழை. And we'll see the next one. தமிழகத்தில் வெளுத்து வாங்கும் கனமழை. The rain that is playing its powerful game in Tamil Nadu. Tamilagam is Tamil Nadu, the state. And வெளுத்து வாங்க is just the same as புரட்டி எடுக்க that we saw before. வெளுத்து வாங்க is similar to rip off the color and make something pale and colorless. So it's just the same. The rain is going to take away all the colors of life and make us stand pale in fear. You could use this also with the same as a lawyer, a batsman, or even a singer. Extraordinary performance of an actor for his super performance. This is all a figure of speech. தமிழகத்தில் வெளுத்து வாங்கும் கனமழை. Coming soon. அடுத்த 3 மணி நேரத்தில் இடிமின்னலுடன் கனமழை. உஷார். And that's funny. Coming soon. That's the English word. அடுத்த 3 மணி நேரத்தில். In the next 3 hours. இடிமின்னலுடன் கனமழை. That's heavy rain with thunder and lightning. Ushar means be cautious. So Ushar is also a colloquial word. You can use it. And coming soon. அடுத்த 3 மணி நேரத்தில் இடிமின்னலுடன் கனமழை. Ushar. Coming soon. Rain with lightning thunder in the next 3 hours. Watch out. சென்னையில் கனமழை. Heavy rain in Chennai. The streets that became like flooded forest. சென்னையில் கனமழை. வெள்ளக்காடான சாலைகள். So this is not the heavy flooded streets. சென்னையில் கனமழை. வெள்ளக்காடான சாலைகள். We'll see the next one. Now let's learn a few words. லேசான மழை means light rain. லேசான மழை. தூறல் மழை is drizzling. தூறல் மழை. மிதமான மழை is moderate rain. மிதமான மழை. வானிலை அறிக்கை is weather forecast. I hope you are enjoying your learning through these videos, and I'm looking forward to see you all also in Instagram and Telegram. So please like and subscribe, and also comment for this channel to be useful to many learners like you. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, vanakkam.